Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. My name is Abdul Samad and today our topic is conversion graph. Dear student, as we have learned previously in exercise 8.1 about plotting of graph of linear equation, in which we used to take simple way for the solution, we write y in term of x to have a simplified form of equation. As we have already discussed in exercise 8.1 about order pair, Cartesian plane, quadrant, plotting of graph of linear equation in one variable and two variables. Dear student, a Cartesian coordinate system is a coordinate system that specifies each point uniquely in a plane by a set of numerical coordinates which are the sign distinct to the point from two fixed perpendicular oriented lines measured in the same unit of length. To draw a two-dimensional graph on xy plane, we are required to obtain different order pairs having variation of value of the given variable. We can get the value of one variable by assigning different value to other variable arbitrarily. For example, by putting different value to x in our given equation to have a different value of y correspondingly. On page number 157, in this session, we shall consider conversion graph as a linear graph relating into two quantities which are in direct proportion. Dear student, what is linear graph? Straight line graph is called linear graph, and what is direct proportion? Let's say we have two quantities x and y. When x increase, y also increase and vice versa. Dear student, now we are going to solve exercise 8.2, page number 164. As we are solving graph problem, but we make sure to take positive arbitrary point of x and y because we are dealing with conversion graph. Question number 1, given data 9 liter is equal to 2 gallon, find graph and find the number of gallon in 18 liters, the number of liter in 8 gallons. Solution according to the condition of question, liter are represented along horizontal axis and gallon are represented along vertical axis. So the required equation is 9y is equal to 2x, dividing both sides by 9, then y is equal to 9 by 2x and y is equal to 0.22x. So this is our required equation. Now dear student, we have found order pairs. It depends upon you that how many order pair do you want to find. I took 0, 1, 2, 3 and our first order pair is 0, 0, 1 0.22, 2 0.44, 3 0.66. We draw it on the graph. So 0, 0 is our first order pair, 1 0.2 is our second order pair, 3 0.4 is our third order pair and 3 0.6 is our fourth order pair. So we plot it on the graph, straight line is formed. Now in question part 1, it is asked that how many gallons are there in 18 liters. So we extend 18 liters along horizontal axis and 4 along vertical axis. So the point of intersection is 18, 4. So this is the point we got which was asked from us. And the second part, it is asked that how many liters are there in 8 gallons. 36 liters which we have already defined, and we extend 36 along horizontal axis and 8 along vertical axis. So the point of intersection is 36 and 8. So this is our required graph. And scale along horizontal axis, one big box is equal to 1 unit, and along y axis one big box is equal to 1 unit. I repeat again, a scale along x-axis one big box is equal to 10 units and along y-axis one big box is equal to 1 unit. Question number 2, given data 1 Saudi Riyal is equal to 16.70 rupees and y is equal to 16.70x. Solution, let x represent Saudi Riyal and y represent Pakistani rupees. So the required equation y is equal to 16.70x. So this is our order pairs and our required table. Dear student, it depends upon you that how many order pair do you want to find. I took 0, 1, 2 and our order pair is 0, 0, 1, 16.70, 2, 33.40. We draw it on the graph. 0, 0 is our first order pair and 1, 16.70 is our second order pair and 2, 33.4 is our third order pair. So we plot it on the graph, straight line is formed. And one big box along x-axis is equal to 1 Saudi Riyal and one big box along y-axis is equal to 16.70 Pakistani rupees. Question number 4, part number 1, 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometer. Solution, let 1 mile represent x and kilometer represent y. Then y is equal to 1.6 x is our required equation and the order pair is 0, 0, 1, 1.6, 2, 3.2. We plot it on the graph. Straight line is formed and 0, 0 is our first order pair, 1 and 1.6 is our second order pair, 2, 3.2 is our third order pair. And scale one big box along x-axis is equal to 1 kilometer and one big box along y-axis is equal to 1.6 mile. Question number 4, part number 2, 1 acre is equal to 0.4 hectare. Solution, let 1 acre represent x and hectare represent y. So y is equal to 0.4x is our required equation and 0, 0 is our first order pair, 1, 0.4 is our second order pair, 2, 0.8 is our third order pair. And the required graph, 0, 0 is our first order pair and 1, 0.4 is our second order pair, 2, 0.8 is our third order pair. We plot it on the graph, straight line is formed. One big box along x-axis is equal to 1 hectare and one big box along y-axis is equal to 0.4 acre. Question number 4, part number 3. F is equal to 9 by 5c plus 32. Solution, F represent x and c represent y. Then y is equal to 9 by 5x plus 32. And the required table is 0, 32, 1, 33.8, 2, 35.6. So first of all, we extend 0 along horizontal axis and 32 along vertical axis. So our point of intersection is 0, 32 and our second order pair is 1 along horizontal axis and 33.8 along vertical axis. So the point of intersection is 1, 33.8 and our third order pair is 2, 35.6 and this is the required graph. And scale one big box along x-axis is equal to 1 Celsius and one big box along y-axis is equal to 10 Fahrenheit.